Аксамитный летний вечер Ахину землю. Я в озерную синечу Вуснами ловлю. Мовчки слухаю в росах Песню соловья. Над моим луна и лесом Беларусь моя. Мовчки слухаю в росах Песню соловья. Над моим луна и лесом Беларусь моя. А над лесом, над сосветом выпростал крыло. Золотистый човен веток, зорное весло. Стань девочий белый, лежит воды ключая. Я один тебе належу, Беларусь моя. Стань девочий белый, лежит воды ключая.
Why did you decide to study in Belarus?
I decided to study in Belarus because when I was a school girl, I always wanted to study in a foreign country. And my cousin who studied here in Belarus, she told me that it's very safe here and people are kind and very friendly.
I decided to study in Belarus because my parents suggested, and because also there are a lot of my relatives, classmates are studying with me, and so I thought that it would be very easier for me to study here and communicate with my relatives and classmates.
I decided to study in Belarus because Belarus is the smallest country. Small, less population. So I like the people less.
Why did you decide to study at BSU?
I decided to study in BSU because BSU is the top university in Belarus. And also I like environment here. Fresh air, not cloudy people.
I decided to continue my study in Belarus after finishing the secondary school. To taking his decision, me helped the daughter of our family relative who was studying at the Pedagogical University in Minsk. And she gave me a lot of information about the study, about the life in Belarus, and I'm also picked up more information about Belarus, so that will help me with the documents, and I became a student of Belarusian State University, and now I study at the philological faculty of the BSU.
What are your majors at university and what are your favorite subjects?
My majors are English and French. And my favorite, of course, is English because I love English and I'm here to study English.
I study at the Faculty of Philology of BSU, and my majors are the English and the Italian languages. I like all of the subjects because from my childhood I like studying, but every person has a favorite thing, all of the sphere of life. So in my study, my favorite subjects are the English language and the Italian language and the literature, because I always dream to speak as more as I can foreign languages. When you study foreign languages, one of the important things is literature, so I like to read books.
Is it difficult for you to study at university?
No, it's not difficult for me to study in the BSU personally, but it is now not difficult. It was really difficult and hard morally for me to study here in the first year of studying, because I didn't know Russian. My Russian was very poor, and so I had to catch up my group mates in English, Russian, Latin, Deutsch and everything, so it was really absolutely difficult for me.
Yes, it's kind of difficult for me to study in the university because the people all around me, they are speaking Russian, but I'm not good with Russian.
Do you have any problem studying here?
Yes, I have a lot of problems, such like how to manage my living here, how to deal with people who study in faculty here, and how to do homework of any subjects I have got.
No, practically I don't have any problems, but I only recall my first year of study when I came first time to Belarus. I couldn't speak Russian well. Even now, when I recall that year, I cannot keep my tears. But now it isn't a problem anymore. But if I have some problems with my study or with my dormitory life, I make calls to the university department which works with foreign students, and they are very kind people. They always help to foreign students to solve their problems.
Where do you usually have a meal?
Well, I cook myself because I like cooking very much, but when I get bored cooking, I just eat outside, go to KFC or McDonald's and order something for eating.
Usually I cook myself if I have some free time, and in the other hand I order something from somewhere.
I usually have a meal in the dormitory. I cook myself. I like cooking. I usually cook our national dishes and Turkish dishes. Unfortunately, I cannot cook Belarusian dishes, but I really like Belarusian cuisine. Sometimes my Belarusian friend gives me her national food. It is very delicious. I like it.
Do you have any free time?
Yes, I have free time. After the classes, I don't have anything to do. So I go to our dormitory, have a meal, and then go for a walking with my friends, or especially alone. And I like walking along the streets of Minsk in Nimiga. It is very unusual for me because listening to music and just walking along the streets for me personally is really nice.
No, I don't have many friends here because I'm a person who prefer to stay home alone. But my very close friend is Belarusian girl. I can tell her my secrets. When we have some free time, we can go together for a walk, for a shopping, because we like to spend time together.
Yes, I have many friends here. I have friends from my native country, among Belarusian students, and a few friends from Nigeria and Turkey. With my Belarusian friends, we like to spend time together, and we usually go to the cinema and go shopping.
Do you often go shopping?
Not often. I go shopping when it's necessary, like once in a week.
I go shopping every day. Even if I don't need anything to buy, even if I don't have any money, I just like walking around the shops, trying on something, just taking photos of me and of new clothes, and I like just looking at new things, new brand things.
Do you like shops here in Belarus?
Yes, a lot. They are really different from the shops in Turkmenistan, and I like the shops because they are really nice, not very expensive, and very convenient for foreign students.
Do you often use public transport here in Minsk?
No, I don't often use public transport in Minsk, though my dormitory is not far from my study. But when I use public transport, it is very convenient, isn't expensive, everything is clean, so it is very easy for me to use it.
What do you like it here in Minsk?
I like environment here. It is so good. Comparison with China, some cities. And also I like people here because the acting is totally different with Chinese. I mean good actings. And like some good manners and quite polite. That's what I like here.
Have you ever been to any other places of Belarus?
Yes, I have been to many cities in Belarus. I traveled to Brest, Gomel, Vitebsk, Grodno. I have been to many historical places, museums in Belarus, such as Brest Fortress, but my favorite city is, of course, Minsk.
Do you sometimes feel lonely?
Yes, actually I feel lonely a lot because I miss my family very much. Even if we chat almost every day on Skype and I see their faces, they send me pictures, I send my pictures to them, but it's not enough. I sometimes want to hug them, to chat with them face to face and express my feelings, how much I miss them. But now it's not possible, so I just try to forget about it.
Do you miss your relatives?
Of course, I miss my mom, my grandmother, my relatives, because I can visit them once a year.
What will you miss about studying in Belarus when you come back home?
When I come back home to China, I will miss some teachers in the faculty and also some classmates from Turkmenistan who studied with me. And also I will absolutely miss the comfortable summertime in Minsk.
I think that I'm gonna miss, first of all, my BSU, our faculty, our English classes, our English teachers, my group mates, of course, because now we are considered to be a great family, and I will miss the atmosphere here because it's really friendly, and our teachers also very nice to us, so I'm gonna miss everything.
What are you planning to do after university?
When I graduate from university, I plan to continue to study in China. I want a master's degree in China as I study Chinese, so I want to improve my Chinese and get a master's degree, but I will always remember Belarus.
Do you know anything in Belarusian?
Yes, I know one poem in Belarusian by Jan Kupala. А кто там идет, у огромнистой такой громаде белорусы. А что они несут на худых плечах, на руках у кривы, на ногах у локтях свою кривду. А куди же несут свету кривду всю, а куди же несут на показ свет целый. А хто это их не 1 миллион? Кривду не научил, разбудил их сон. Беда, горе. А чего захотелось им? Порожденным век им, слепым, глухим, людьми зваться.
Бо чужина серце жалить, тисне, як змія, бо гукає з дальніх далів Білорусь моя. Бо чужина серце жалить, тисне, як змія, бо гукає з дальніх далів Білорусь моя.